buzzing, buzzing, and we're humming, humming, and we're loving, loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tatiana, and today you guys are gonna be getting ready with me and going from this to hopefully something better. So I just got back from work and it's a Friday, so you already know your girl's going out downtown Toronto. So we gotta put some makeup on this. So I apologize, I'm wearing my golf shirt, but I mean, gotta represent Tyler the Creator. But I'm gonna first pull back my hair because I don't want to get anything in my face, and we're going straight into it. Just dropped something. And we're gonna be using the Ole Hendrix Banana Bright Face Primer. I got this sent to me by influencer, and it's literally the best. I'm pretty much out of it, which sucks, so I think I'm gonna go repurchase it, but it is such a good primer, so I'd definitely recommend. So let's put this on our face. By the way, if I'm looking down here, it's because I have my mirror, and wow, I look red now because I really rubbed that on, but it really helps all the makeup stick. So it is actually extremely humid outside today in Toronto, so I'm gonna do light makeup because I don't need it falling off, but I'm going in with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Fresh Complexion in the number 205. It's a bit light for me, which never thought that would happen, but we're just gonna take it as it is. I don't put too much on my face because I don't need it to like full coverage because the skin is doing okay, but if you guys have watched me for a bit, you know that my neck never matches my chest, which you guys will see later is always more tanned, and then my face is more white, so I always have to put it there. But now we're gonna blend it in with my buffing brush by Real Techniques, so let's do it. Next, we're gonna go in with the Fit Me Concealer number 15. I'm just gonna put that under the eyes and then a bit on my chin. Try to get rid of those bags. Down my nose, and then a bit on my chin because I have a few breakouts there, which are not welcome. And then we're just gonna blend it in with the same brush. With someone you are. Alright, so now going in, I dropped my Chanel powder on the ground. Pray for me as I go check it. Alright, today's my lucky day. My Chanel powder is living, breathing, and we're living for that. But I'm going with the Chanel Infiniment powder, and it's Poudre Lumiere. Yeah, I speak French, not trying to flex or anything, but but yeah, so I'm gonna go with this, and I just use this Jane Iredale, just like really dense stippling brush, I think it's called, I don't even know, but just to, you know, set everything. You are. Alright, next I'm going in with the contour because, you know, gotta look bronzed again. I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I go in with the two shades, so these two, the first two lighter ones, called Subconscious and Shadow Play, and I just use this e.l.f. pointed powder brush, and I kind of dip in both and then do the whole three motion and do the Casey face. Alright, so next we're going in with a MAC blush in the color Blush Baby. It's kind of like a toned down blush, like very mauvey, so I really like it. I'm going to put on my cheeks and my nose, just, I like it. With someone you are. Alright, since we're going out, next I'm using my Jeffree Star Skin Frost Peach Goddess. I mean, yes. So I'm just gonna very lightly tap that in because his is very, very pigmented, and I don't want to look like a crazy person or like a greasy person. So we're just gonna put that all over. I also do really simple eyeshadow when I go out now, so I'm just gonna put this on my eyelids. Super simple. I haven't really done any crazy eye looks recently, So I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelids to make it very, very, very shiny. Next, I'm just gonna go with those two brown shades again that I used from the Kat Von D palette and put that in my crease. Just because, again, I said a very natural, I mean, as natural as this is with all the shimmer, but I'm just doing kind of a classic and easy eyeshadow look, but I will be putting falsies on. Alright, I know that this highlight looks insane, but it's not as crazy without the bright lights. But now we're gonna do the eyebrows. Alright, so I'm gonna go with my favorite eyebrow pencil, the Brow Stylist Definer from L'Oreal Paris in the color Brunette. And I'm just gonna bring my mirror with me here and just going to wipe that off quickly so I can actually see. I'm sorry, it's probably a lot of dust particles. Beauty Grwm. But I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows now. Next for brow gel, I'm just going in with the Glossier brow gel. Don't know what color it is because it's literally just white now because I've used it so much. I'm gonna have to repurchase one, but I just kind of brush through my brows with it. It's almost empty, but keeps it in place. And yeah, I don't really have a brow routine, honestly. I kind of just mess around with my brows and fill in sparse areas kind of, but I have pretty dark brows to begin with, so I've been blessed with that. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of the Sephora mascara that I'll show you guys to prepare for falsies, and then I will get back to you guys once I put them on because that's way too hard on camera. So I'm using this like the Sephora brand, just mascara. Don't know if you guys see it, that one. Just going to do a small light coat on my eyelashes quickly. I just find I like it better. And then also tip, if your eyelashes ever fall off, which hopefully they never do, but if they do, you already have mascara on then, so it's not as bad. I mean, it's still going to be tragic, but yeah, so I do that, and then I'll come back to you guys once I put my falsies on. Alright, we're back. First of all, the difference that lashes make, we love that. I don't know the exact lashes. I honestly think I got them off of like Zaful or something, but they're more just a wispy eye, so I'll link down a few below that I usually use if I don't have these, because I'm running out, so I'm gonna have to go buy new ones that aren't $3 that are this good quality. But if I can find them, I'll link them down below. They take a really long time to ship, but order yourself a crap ton and you're gonna be set. And it's cheaper to buy like probably 10 packs of those than just one pack from Shoppers or something like that. But so now that we have the lashes on, I'm gonna do another coat of the, oh, it's called the Lash Craft Big Volume Extreme by Sephora. I'm gonna do that on my top lashes, and then we are going to go in on the bottom lashes with the Great Lash waterproof mascara, just because waterproof, and I don't need anything running down my face when I'm in a hot ass club. So let's do that. Oh, by the way, I'm doing this, coating my lashes again after the fake lashes, if you didn't know, just to kind of mend them together so it doesn't look as unnatural, or just so you have two different lash lines. Because I mean, these are obviously fake, but it's still, you don't want it to look ratchet. Alright, so the lashes are done. Perfect. So the last step is to spray your face, which I forgot, so I have to stand up again. Alright, so to set my face, I'm just using the Marty Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. If you guys watched my skincare video, I use this also. I just used to get other setting sprays, but they're all the same, so I just like using this to set my face. I usually do this before I put on mascara or anything, but I forgot, so that's what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna try to not get my mascara wet. Great success. Alright, so the last step for the makeup is the lips, and I'm gonna use the Tartiest lip paint in, I don't know what color. It's kind of like a nice nude, if you guys can tell. I'm just gonna put that all over my lips, and keep them nice and plump and cool looking. Yes, because lips can look cool, Tatiana. You're welcome. Alright, so that's the makeup look. Cue to the montage. Alright, so that's enough for a cheesy montage of Tatiana trying to look like she knows what I'm doing. Alright, so now we're going to do the hair, and the first step is obviously brushing out the hair. So I took a body shower, but my hair is a bit greasy at the front, so I'm going to use my trusty dry shampoo. I got this little cute baby one, just a Batiste dry shampoo, the clean classic one. It's my favorite. So we're just going to spray that a bit in the front of my hair, just to, you know, get it looking a bit more fresh, and then we can continue with the hair. Alright, so that's the finished hair look. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a second to really soak up all that sexy grease. And then I'll come back to you guys when I don't look like a grandma. Right, so I'm back. I took out the dry shampoo. It looks cleaner now. So I'm not really gonna do much with my hair because it's so humid outside and it's got a bit of curl. It's gonna happen anyways. So I'm just going to straighten kind of a bit of it on the inside because I don't know, I feel like that's what's gonna look best, and just straighten a bit of it, but I want to keep it curl so it doesn't look like it's humid outside. It just looks like I did that on purpose, so let's do that. Sorry, also if I'm talking in this clip, Nadika's here. No, but like it's gonna be like a time lapse.
Oh my god.
Alright, you guys, so I actually ended up pretty much straightening it, kind of keeping it a few curls, but life happens. But I'm going to put my outfit on. I'll show you guys the finished look, maybe get rid of this highlight because it's so hot out, and then we'll see the final look from when I looked like a troll in my pajamas, which I still am in, to a semi-decent We will see the transformation from when I looked like a troll in pajamas to a semi-decent functioning human being with a life. So let's go do that. Okay, ignore the little ratchet bathroom video of my outfit, but I want to show you guys what I was wearing before I went out. So I'm wearing this top from Shore that I've talked about before, just a little boutique in Florida. This skirt is from Primark in Europe because I'm cultured now. And then I'm going to be wearing some little nude mules, but other than that, that's what I'm wearing. I really like how it ended up. We're just going for more of a chill than a club vibe, but I'll see you guys at the outro. Alright, you guys, we have a special guest on after the hair, makeup, and everything's done. It's Nadika, the one I was talking to.
Hi.
We're going to Petty Cash night in Toronto. I don't know if you guys are from Toronto, but very good place to go, as I've heard.
It's very good.
But yeah, so we're going there tonight. So my friend Nadika, I told you guys, I was talking to her while I was doing my hair, so if you guys see my whole montage me doing my hair.
I got the whole inside scoop.
The whole inside scoop. We're gonna be doing a life update soon. You guys are not ready for this. Not that many life updates, but you know. But yeah, so we're going out soon. I just wanted to introduce her onto the featured vlog.
I'm honored. Thank you.
She's a real one. We've known her since grade
one.
We'll do a best friend tag once for you guys. If you you guys want to see her come, like this video. But other than that, I'll see you guys at the outro. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, you guys, I hope you guys liked that video. This is me getting ready to go out. It's a bit of a rough time, but we made it. I hope you guys like the outfit, hair, and makeup. If you guys did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos from me, subscribe down below. And other than that, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.